Good morning. Today I am going to tell you few recipes which are very easy, and it is very important for those students, those single persons who stay in places where it is not easy to prepare complete food. Just watch my channel and my page Khana Khazana, and just like, subscribe. Now I am going to demonstrate tomato chutney, which is very nutritious. It carries tomatoes, which is a good antioxidant, and you can keep this chutney for a very long time in the fridge, preferably a week. And this chutney you can eat with rice, you can eat with chapati, you can eat with paratha, or you can eat with any dish which you want. This will serve you as an add-on to all your meals. So just learn how I'm going to prepare tomato chutney for you. For 1 tomato, you require 1 onion, 2 spoons of Urad Dal, 2 red chillies, and 1 full spoon oil, preferably refined or mustard. The moment the oil gets heated, put these 2 flakes of red chilli in it. Put a spoonful of washed and dried urad dal to it. Just saute it for a minute. Add onions to it. Tomatoes. And cook it on low flame. Pinch of salt according to your taste. Just saute it till the tomatoes are finely cooked on slow flame. Seen how the onions have been finely cooked and the tomatoes have been finely cooked, and they have left some oil. Just put off the flame. Let it cool for another 10 minutes. Now take all the cooked material and pour it in a clean mixie. Now this is complete churned and grinded tomato chutney for you. Eat it with idli, dosha, uttapam, curd rice, and with any North Indian dishes like paratha, chapati, puri, roti or rice, and you will enjoy it for days to come. Do like and subscribe my YouTube channel Khana Khazana and my blog and page on Khana.